Hey first graders, today you're going to be doing a short vowel sort. So on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of this week, we learned about the short A, which says a, the short E, which says and the short I, which says I. Today you're doing a short vowel sort to see if you know the sounds of these three letters. So first, when you go to Seesaw, it's going to show up in your journal, but you don't want to be in the journal. You need to click on the activities, which is a light bulb. Then, once you're in there, this is going to show up. So you want to look for the A-E-I-O-U picture, and then you click the green Add Response button. This won't pop up for you. It'll just come straight here. Once you're here, your job is to look at all the pictures down here on the bottom and move them to either the A column, the E column, or the I column, depending on what sound they have in them. You need to make sure you are on this finger so that you can actually drag and move the shapes. If you're on the pen, it's just going to draw instead. So, again, make sure you're on the finger, and let's go through each one so that you know what each picture is. The first one is bread. So the sound is brr, eh. Where would that go? Well, I know that S is the E, so bread goes in the E column. Then we have fish, fish. Now I'm just going to read the rest, and then it's your job to figure out where they go. I know that ish has an I in it. Then we have hand, web, sad, lip, crab, sick, egg, mad, pig, ring, cat, elephant. All right, friends, have fun. Make sure you sort all the pictures into whatever column they belong in, and when you're done, click the green check up here, and that will turn it in. Have fun. I can't wait to see your work.